Sexual maturity in human beings. Humans reproduce by sexual method. In this method, male reproductive cell fuse with female reproductive cell. But when do this male and female start producing reproductive cell? Humans start producing reproductive cell by the beginning of the period called as puberty, the period during which adolescent reach sexual maturity and becomes capable of reproduction is called as puberty. At what age do boys and girls enter puberty? There is no specific age, but they enter into puberty in adolescent. Adolescent is the age between childhood and adulthood. How do we know that puberty has started in someone? We can notice the onset of puberty in boys and girls with some noticeable changes happening in their body. There are certain changes observed in girls. Those are they get acne on their face, they get hair on armpit, their breast size get enlarged, they start menstruating, they grow taller. Changes observed in boys are they get acne on their face, they get a facial hair, their voice changes, they get hair on arms, chest, legs, armpit. The penis size gets enlarged and erect. As these changes takes place over a long period of time, between 8 to 14 years of age, they do not happen at an exact age in all. It depends on the hormone level and genetics of the individual. As people are different in body features like height, weight, skin color, nose, people are also different in sexual characters that is body hair, mustache and beard, penis size, breast size. So we have seen the changes that happen during puberty. But how does this secondary sexual characteristics are related to the process of reproduction? Changes in puberty helps in the process of reproduction and childbirth. For example, body and facial hair, it indicates sexual maturity. Erection of penis, it is for mating and transfer of male gametes. Menstrual cycle, it indicates ovulation. Enlarged breast, it is for feeding the baby after born. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.